smart student will be that manage your time. It's a vital thing that you have to manage your time. তোমাকে সময় মতো সব কাজ করতে হবে. If you are not work according to time, you can't manage the time. So like that, after that, stay healthy. So being to stay healthy, you should eat nutritious foods. স্বাস্থ্যকর খাবার খেতে হবে and should avoid the junk food. Junk food মানে জানো তো কি বললাম? Junk food খাবার ভালো লাগে. Next point, to be kind and respectful. To be kind and respectful. We should be kind to parents, to teachers. Always. It's a big opportunity for the parents to understand you, for the teachers. Okay. Next point will be learn from mistakes. Learn from mistakes. That means দেখো আমরা যে সব সময় ঠিক সেটা না, আমরা কিন্তু ভুল থেকেই শিখবো. We must learn from our mistakes only.